Hello, today I want to show you how you can use some of the interactivity options when using a tab element. For this example, I've created a few tabs and I'm getting my account information, primary contact, all account contacts, and I have added cases as well. So let's save and preview. So I noticed that I need more space to be able to see all my tabs. So let's say I stretch out my rectangle here. Let's save and preview. And now I have this gap. A quick way to fix this is to go to your settings wheel and click interactivity. Now select full width. When I do that, I see that my tabs move a little bit. So let's save and preview. Now my tabs are more spread out and they look more even as well. This is a quick way to fix the space between your tabs.